What's up? Van Bavel Bros here, and we got the Sain Smart PrintyGo 3D printer. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a mouthful. So this is a really cool 3D printer, and it kind of reminds me, being a kid, of those little easy bake ovens, except now you're making 3D printed objects inside there. So big shout out to Sain Smart for sending this to us. And boys, what's exciting about this one that we're gonna do?
We're gonna give it away.
Awesome. So we're gonna open this, do an unboxing. We're gonna print something with it, show you how it works. But the reason we're giving it away is we don't like to be wasteful and we don't like to be greedy, right?
No. Yeah.
And we already had a 3D printer, so we wanted to do what?
A giveaway.
Right. And why do we want to give it away?
Because we already have one.
Right. So we already have one. We want someone else who wants one to be able to get one for free.
Yeah.
Because that's awesome. Who doesn't like to save money and get something from a cool company that they wanted?
They're like $1,000.
Yeah, well, I don't know how much they cost, but they cost money. And when you can get something for free that's awesome, that's a win.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open that up. But John, you have a surprise too, don't you?
Yeah, I made friends with a pool at recess last week.
Why don't you come up and give him a close-up? Poor fella.
He was okay though. He said the pin still out of 10 was a 2. He's a tough little guy.
That's right. And we got really lucky. We went to a local doctor and got all checked out, and could have been a lot worse. So you lucked out, didn't you, bud?
Yeah.
That's right.
Say hello to that friend every recess you have. Yeah, roll.
Maybe we'll print you a helmet.
Yeah.
You want to wear a
Maybe
helmet?
an eye protector.
Yeah, or a patch. Print you an eye patch.
Maybe just print another Johnny so the pole can make friends with the other Johnny.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We can let the other Johnny be the stuntman instead of you.
Can I be friends with that pole? Oh yeah.
All right. Well, let's get into the unboxing here.
And check it out. Here it is. This is all the stuff that comes with it.
Nice. So it looks like it's got a roll of filament and a little spindle for the filament to hold it once we've got the machine assembled. It's got a glue stick probably for the inside. Oftentimes we'll put some glue down on the base so that things don't stick. It's actually like a reverse adhesive, so it helps them come up. Looks like it's got a screwdriver and maybe a couple tools so that you can, take things apart if needed, and then the power supply cable. So it's just pretty, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts in the whole thing. So really simple 3D printer. We're excited to open it up, plug it in, and do a print on it and show you guys what that's like, how long it takes. And then we're going to announce how we're going to do this giveaway. So can't wait to see you next. All right, so we've got it out of the box. We've got it plugged in, a really easy user guide to set up. Right now, we're just going through the prompts. So as soon as we're done that, we will try to attempt our first print. All right, so we've got this all plugged in, and there's 2 things that are on the screen. What does it say, guys?
PrintyGo, start printing, secret printing.
Okay, so secret printing sounds awesome, but we want to maybe try to pick something. So why don't one of you hit start printing?
Yeah.
Okay, so Jamie gets to the next one. So let's see. Okay, so it looks like you can use an arrow to print up or down. So John, let him do that. And there's different options. So click the one, actually it looks like that's click the one below it on the left. I think that's maybe like Wi-Fi connection. I just want to see what the different options are. Interesting. So this is a lot of different things. Click the next 2 down. I just want to kind of see what each thing do. Okay, that's your printing history is the bottom, and then the one above that, James. So that says, please insert the USB. So maybe you can get additional prints on a USB. So hit the very top button. Okay, and hit the down arrow on the right. All right, so we've got 5 and 7. I don't know, did you see a 6? Is there any 6, 7? No. Why don't you hit down again? Let John hit down this time.
That?
Yeah, hit down and try not to like move the whole table. Let's see. So, oh, there's the long boat. So that's kind of like benchy. That's the boat is like a very common print in 3D printing. Jamie, why don't you hit down again?
Yeah. The boat is.
And we're right now, the room we're in at the beach, this is a nautical room. So maybe we do the boat. There's a flat unicorn, a number 9, a flat elephant. Let's go and see. A 3-head dragon, an elk, a cow. It looks like there's a ton of things here. So short funnel boat. So that looks, do you want to do the boat?
Yeah.
Let's just see real quick what some of these other things are. So, and it's nice because this does say on these ones how long. So you can see like this little filament holder up here that I guess you could maybe put pens or things in. That's 50 minutes. But right below it, the traffic cone that comes apart, it's like a couple different pieces, that's 10 minutes. Jane, why don't you hit down a little bit? It looks like there's 380 options here, pages, so that is guys, do you think 380, that would take you a long time to get through all those?
Yeah.
You'd
That's
see
a
me
lot
in
of
the
options.
next 10 years.
Yeah.
Still cooking.
Let's go down 1 or 2 more,
Yeah.
and then we'll
Another
make our
one
decision.
Oh, a submarine.
Yeah, submarine looks cool.
Submarine. A toilet.
Skibidi
Maybe,
toilet.
Maybe we can maybe we can give it to some animals or something. Fidgets.
More fidgets, kind of. More fidgets.
All right, so it's got a lot of options. So we're gonna look through and pick something out, and we'll be back. Success!
Check it out! I 3D printed, you 3D printed a boat.
We all 3D printed a boat.
The needle from Las Vegas.
So we wanted to print the plane, but had a little mishap, so we printed the needle there. And then we wanted to see, you know, something that we've wanted to print for a while on the printer that we have, that boat. That boat, I think anyone who has a 3D printer has probably seen. That boat has lots of different names. On our 3D printer, it's called Benchy for whatever reason. But they printed both of those. That was, so the one on the left, the boat, was in less than 30 minutes, and the Space Needle on the top was less than 15.
This feels really good. I like this 3D printer especially because it feels textured and it looks like it's like real wood but just white, and it feels really good.
Let's give it a close up.
And it looks from far away like it's actually like little blocks.
Really
It's
cool.
really cool. I like it.
So
I like it.
this was the simplest thing in the world to set up. This was, it's a 4-step, you know, you take it out of the box, you turn it on, you get it set up, you hit print, and then there's an app that we didn't even use the app. You don't need the app to initially print, but obviously if you own this, you want the app because it makes it, you know, you get the full usage out of it. But I mean, this was so simple to use, and just the fact that we didn't even need the app to get everything, we put it in, we hit print, and it printed out 2 awesome pieces. So we didn't want to print any more because we're giving this away. We didn't want to use up the filament. I will say that those 2 little prints, you know, 3D printing doesn't use much filament. So it's pretty awesome. It barely used anything. So aside from the PrintyGo, which is awesome, Sain Smart, their motto is power to the makers. So they're a big maker community. They also have for either more experienced makers or, you know, if you have older kids and adults, they have CNC and engraving materials. So we're really excited to have partnered with this brand and been able to learn more about them and to test out this 3D printer. And we're excited to give this away. And once we end up, you know, finding a winner for this, it would be great if they shared their feedback, you know, with us and with Sain Smart. Again, the app, we didn't even get to download or use because we didn't need to. But this was, you know, for the money. This is normally $300. Right now, it's $260. So, you know, that's not cheap. And
$40 discount.
yep, $40 discount. So to give away, you know, something that's $260, we're thrilled to be able to do that.
The main reason we're giving this 3D printers away because we just hit 25,000 subscribers, and we want to reward you, all your subscribers, to have a chance to win this awesome 3D printer.
25,000 subscribers. I remember, you know, it was just over a year ago, actually. Jeez.
Not even.
I know, it was more than that though. It was almost 2 years ago in July
What? Oh.
when you started your channel. So,
I'm old.
yep, was it 2 years? I don't know. It's gone by quick. But
Yeah.
you boys have really had a lot of fun doing this, and this is such an awesome giveaway. So what do you want to have people do in the comments to win this?
Oh, I know. Johnny. So, you should like tell a story in the comments about why you should get this.
Aha,
So.
I like that.
Yeah.
So not just like normally we say, like we just gave away the Pokemon 30th anniversary and we said, you know, just comment 30. And for this, normally we would do something like 3D, but we're gonna ask for a story of why you should get this 3D printer. We wanna know why you feel like you should win this printer. You know, this is a great prize.
Winner has
you know,
to be in
and
the
we're
United
excited to give
States
it
due to
away.
shipping costs.
So
If someone
we're
from
excited to
outside
see
of
who
the
wins.
States wants
We're
to
gonna give
enter,
away more
just be
awesome
aware that you're going to
giveaways
have
like
to pay
this
for shipping
if
costs.
we get bigger, so
We have no idea how
you
much
guys
that'll
wanna
be,
win
but
free
based
stuff,
off
just like
of
and
previous
subscribe.
shipping,
Yeah,
it's likely going to be around $100.
That's true.
We've done it to,
Which
like,
still saves you a good amount of
We've done
money,
it to, like, so
but that's
many
on you.
other
Thanks for
subscribers
watching.
to, channels. Comment your favorite channel, and then see how many different channels we get, and just make us one of your favorite channels too.
Oh yeah,
True. Yeah.
yeah. You guys could be a
Tell
favorite
your
channel.
friends about our channel. Yeah, Sherry.
Yeah, John, we're gonna print. We're gonna go home and use our own 3D printer and print an eye patch.
Yeah. I don't think he
Or a
needs that.
helmet.
We
I
already
think you need a full helmet.
Yeah. I think he needs a football.
So if you're a true fan, you can go back to one of our first videos when John was a stuntman riding the zip line over a bonfire pit. That's why you need a helmet, John, because you're crazy.
He did that?
Yeah,
That was crazy. I'm out.
I know. All right, what do you want to say to everyone watching, guys?
Like comment these guys are just just comment that word W's. No, just like this.
Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. 25,000 fans, you guys. That's so exciting. What do you want to say to everyone?
Thank you for all these subscribers. You are the best. You're a W. We love you guys so much, but in the meantime, you're a W. No, like and subscribe.